Okay. Sorry about that. Um, this is Uncle Russ, Second Chance Garage, still trying to. This is the second video. Boy, this is a pain. There's no good way to put you. Everything's in the way. Oh, this is ridiculous. All right. I don't know. Okay, hang on. Maybe up here. Stop. Okay. This is part 2. Welcome to Second Chance Garage. This is part 2 because the dang thing quit recording. Of me trying to put this stupid electric cable, heating cable, on. So I got it. I'll show you when I get done here. I gotta run this first. Okay. Let's see. This stupid tank will lift up, I think. I'll lift up a little. I'll with this. Okay. I'm trying to run like some way. Get this dang wire through this mess. Get up there. Get up there. Alright. This is a nightmare. Now I remember why I didn't do it sooner. Okay. Untangle out of that wire. Untangle this wire. Okay. Now, let's see if I can get this. No, of course not. Okay, hang on. Wonderful. Okay. Trying to run it down the side of the tank. Okay. There. Here. Okay. Now, will it fit under? If I can get enough clearance. Hang on a minute. I gotta see if I can. What in the world? Boy. I got a drain running through the floor that's impeding my progress. Just get it high enough to get that under there. Boy. Oh, thank you. Thank you. What a pain. Yeah. There's a tube sticking through the floor that's impeding my progress. Great. Okay. Well, that's awesome. Yeah. Wait a minute. What's holding that in there? Well, I can get it. I got enough gap on this one block that I'm good. The other block, not so much. I may have to try to pull that block loose and then run this under the tank, run that electric cable under the tank to get what I need, because I got it under the tank here. Wrap looks like good, yeah. I'll take a piece of tape and I'll tape this to the tank. There's a sensor on it. Oh, man. Ouch. There's a sensor on that kicks it on and off. But, jeez. All right. Hang on a second. Be back in a minute, hopefully. Okay. Now, maybe if I put you up here, you can see what I'm doing. Oh, everything's such a pain. Okay. There you can see the tank. So, we're going to do it 100-mile-an-hour duct tape. So I'm going to tape that sensor on there, right to the side of the tank. Yeah. Okay. When in doubt, break out the duct tape. This is cheap duct tape. Ain't sticking. That's about typical. Alright. That actually stuck for a second. Now, let me get another piece on there. Yeah, this stuff ain't near as sticky as regular duct tape. This must be the cheaper stuff. Alright. Okay. Now, one more piece, because this isn't the good duct tape. It's the crappy duct tape. Cheap stuff. Okay. Now, one more for good measure. I'll try to show you what I did here. I could have bought a fancy one that sat underneath the water tank and all that stuff, and runs off 12 volts and all this fancy crap. Okay. Now, let's see if I can show you this. Ouch! Holy cow! Okay, so let me get you in more of a selfie mode here so I can show you. Okay, now we're going down. Let me get the stupid light. Okay, here is the pump. I got the light on the pump right there. I can't see what you can see, but there's a pump right there. Then right here, where's my light? Is a water line running down it to the sink, which powers it. Okay, then going this direction, there is a water line coming from the pump underneath this nightmare stuff over to the bottom of the tank, which I hope you can see. Where's the dang light? I can't see it. Okay, anyway, there's a, let's see. I don't know. Anyway, right here is a thing for the tank Hope you can see it. Then it runs under the tank, right in here. And then it runs along the tank. Kind of, okay. That black wire. It runs down the tank to where I duct taped. Let's see. All right, duct taped. Here's the light. See the duct. Okay, yeah. Where I duct taped that sensor to the tank, to this. So, when I plug, then wrapped it around the backside. So when I plug this in, when I plug that in, it will get reading off the tank, and then it'll heat the line and the tank all in one shot. That was back-breaking pain in the butt. Oh, back-breaking pain in the butt. So I have a plug-in right up there. Hopefully you can see it. And I'm going to run an extension cord from here up to there to plug it in when I get water in the tank, which is a whole nother realm of what the heck. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Ouch! We got to go outside a second here, because I got it in my machine shed. So, okay, this is the front of the camper. Yeah, I got a shelf in the front too. Lots of junk. Okay, back in here, let's see. I can't see what you can see. Okay, this is my water input. As you can see, I don't have a lot of room between there and the wall. So, all I can do is open that up, stick a funnel in there, and then start filling it a gallon at a time. This will be, oh great, tripping over stuff. This will be fantastic. I highly doubt I'm going to shoot a video on that, because that was back-breaking. So I got to get a little extension cord to run from there to this corner, and that'll hot everything up. But I don't want to do that until I get water in it. And that is my bedding and everything that was, oh, great. Why not? That was actually sticking out to here. So I had to take all that off. A big nightmare. Gigantic nightmare. So sorry there's two videos and I didn't end the other one because I dropped the phone and it shut off, and it's been a pretty great joy. But to have water again, it's worth it to jump through all these hoops. Once I get the water in the tank, right, that's a 30 gallon water tank. So anyway, once I get water in the tank and get it through the system, then I can plug it in, and then I won't have to worry about it freezing anymore. Hopefully it won't melt through the zip ties. I don't know. It's supposed to be good for plastic lines and stuff, but you know, a zip tie's a lot thinner than that. So worst comes to worst, I'll electrical tape it or something to it. I was going to use that. I'll show you. I was going to use this foam over the line. This foam insulation over the line, but that just wasn't happening. Not in that nightmare. So anyway, it'll be good enough. So if you like it, subscribe. Like I said, sorry about the other video. Oh, I don't know if you can see it or not. It says we don't call 911. It's a steel emblem on my camper. Rednecks are us. Yeah, baby. So if you like it, subscribe. I know it was kind of hectic and there's 2 videos and all that, but Second Chance Garage out.